In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about cleaning lists in Klaviyo and why it's important. So first of all, the reasons why it's important. So it reduces the unsubscribe rates and it increases the open and click rates. This is great for your brand, helps you show up in inbox, not spam, and it helps with deliverability, stuff like that. Yeah, as you see there. Now, this will help you to make your messaging clearer and be more specific to customers because you know what's working, what's not, who's still here, that kind of thing. And yeah, it allows to personalize your brand for the customers. So identifying your unengaged customers by creating a segment that captures customers who are receiving emails but not clicking or opening them. So what you can do from here is you can create this segment, and then from here you can export these and basically remove them, or you can put them into like a sunset flow. So this is one that they recommend. It's received 10 emails over all time. As they say, you can change this depending on how often you send emails. So if you send like one every day, you'd probably want to increase that a little bit. But yeah, just figure out that. Now, opened and clicked 0 times in the last 365 days. So this means they've received emails, but they haven't clicked it in 365 days. Again, if you send regular emails, you want to make this time smaller. So you could do like 90 or 180 days. So you can add that to the list/segment as a option, and then you can press go or whatever. You can hit update segment, and what it's going to do is going to create the list of those people in it. So now what you can do from here is you can grab manage segment, and you can export segment to CSV, or you could convert to list or something like that, and then that's where you can clean them out. So you want to go over here to profiles, and then you can click view suppressed profiles, and you can go here import, and you can drag the CSV we just made into here. Basically, suppressed is a list that won't receive emails, and you can also exclude the suppressed list from your campaigns and stuff like that. But it's still good to have them if you maybe want to send them an email a year or something like that, but you don't want to include them in the regular stuff. Now, another thing you can do is you can go to my store, settings, other, profile maintenance, and you can create a list here of delete, and these are people that you just want to delete. So like if there's a list of people who are constantly giving you, ball ache, they're ordering from you, they're trying to get refunds all the time, you can just delete these people from your list. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.